Welcome to our review of the Compressed Air Duster. This powerful and versatile cleaning tool is designed to make your life easier. With its Super Turbo Air Duster technology, this electric air duster boasts a maximum speed of 180,000 RPM, 300 G pressure, and 120 meters per second speeds. Perfect for cleaning electronics, home, car, and outdoor surfaces. The compressed air duster features 3-gear and pulley modes for adjustable airflow, smooth operation, and ergonomic handle for comfort. Choose your power, control the breeze. Fast charge and long battery life make this air duster convenient to use. 10-watt fast charging in 3 hours with our air blower and a 10,000 milliamp hour battery with advanced safety features. Swap canned air for our efficient blower. Recharge, reuse, and protect your devices from liquid hazards without wasting energy. Perfect for cleaning keyboards, PCs, cars, and inflating items. The compressed air duster is lightweight and portable, with dimensions of 1.7 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches and a weight of 0.64 pounds. Easy to carry and designed for a comfortable on-the-go experience. Get your compressed air duster today and experience the power of efficient cleaning. Perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning solution. Order now and discover the convenience of cordless cleaning. With its Super Turbo Air Duster technology, fast charging, and portable design, this compressed air duster is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to compressed air cans and hello to a more efficient and cost-effective cleaning solution. Get your compressed air duster today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the compressed air duster or would like to purchase one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to take advantage of the fast charging feature and the adjustable airflow to make your cleaning tasks easier. Get your compressed air duster today and start cleaning with ease and efficiency.